Hi, this is Lee Daniel. I want to talk to you today about my new program. It's called Divorcing Your Bad Habits. I've been a divorce lawyer for 20 years, and if there's two things I know about, one is divorce and the second are bad habits. I've had a lot of bad habits that I've had to get rid of myself. And through the use of the law of attraction, as well as other things that I've studied and learned about, I know how to get rid of bad habits. I've had a few that I've divorced in the last couple of years, one being eating a lot of Velveeta cheese. I've had other bad habits too that I've been able to get rid of. One, sitting at the television, watching it mindlessly right when I get home from work. These are things that I had to stop because they were standing in the way of me having the best life that I had. So I know you may not know me, you may not know about the program, you may think you don't have time, you may think that this program will be a waste of time, but it's a money back guarantee. So you really don't have anything to lose but those bad habits. I'm bringing the program just to help you have the very best life you can have. Please join me February 24th as we spend 5 weeks learning how to divorce your bad habit. Look forward to seeing you there.